Hi traders, right now you can see now the timing in my chart is 3:18. Now the market has been closed with our indicator signals. We have the square of timing is 3:10. So right now our signals has been squared up, and you can see the 5 second strategy. The last entry it has been taken at this candle. Okay, you can see here the entry has been taken at 10:29 candle, as well as the entry has been exited at today. Right now the square of timing is 310. So according to the square of timing, the entry has been exited in this candle. 310 perfectly it has been executed. So you can see in the Algosys platform also. Every entry today has been taken. In the morning, we have got one entry, as well as today, right now, we have got another entry in put option right now. That means 10:25 is the last entry for 5 seconds, as well as for 30 seconds. So I will be showing you first of all. So this is the entry we got in a 5 second strategy, and the 5 second strategy it has been given the exit in this point. So if you have fixed the target as if you have if you have fixed the target as 300 points, it will be reached in 5 seconds perfectly. So right now we have fixed the 350 points as a target. So 350 has been, the market has not given the movement for that, but our square of timing has been came, and our indicator has been closed right now. And you can see in the 30-second strategy, you can see this is the 30-second strategy end. So in 30 seconds, as well as it has been taken at 10:25 candle, and in 30-second strategy also it has been given you 300 points with our indicator signal. So this is the last signal, and according to the signals, it has been reflected in our demat account also. So you can see the demo demat account we have opened right now. So you can see the entries has been taken perfectly at that time almost. In 30 seconds, this is the 30-second entry, and the 5-second entry. This is the last entry. The first entries which has been taken is 9:55 for 5 seconds, as well as 9:59 with 22 seconds is for 30 seconds. So this is the first entry, and second entry it has been taken. So now you can see our automation setup is perfectly all right, and whatever the entries trigger, you can easily trade with the options, as well as whatever the options you need, you can keep. If you want to make it as an at the money strike price or ITM strike price, you can easily choose. And if you want to choose a monthly expiry also, you can choose. So if you are a automation trader, you will be more liking our indicator. And if you want to get access with our indicator, WhatsApp us on 7200556708. We will be helping you to guide, and we will be guiding you to make full automation setup with our indicator. So once you get access with our indicator, we will be helping you to fully automate. You just need to go to the Algosys platform. You can log in right now, and then you can also get a free trial for Algosys platform, as well as for seconds time frame. You need to go for the premium subscription of our trading platform. And if you want to go for a trial for 30 days also, you can go, because TradingView is providing 30 days free trial for premium users also. So right now, after signing up with TradingView, you just get access with our indicator, and we will be fixing all the alerts, and we will be giving you the full setup for automation, and we will be guiding you to take the full automation trading. Okay traders, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other doubts with our indicator, you just WhatsApp us. We will be clearing your doubts. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Traders, till now we have seen every details about our automated trading strategy. And if you have any other doubts with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us. We will be clearing with the Zoom meet, and we will be explaining you about the strategy. WhatsApp us on 7200556708, and let us start the consistent earning with the fully automated trade entries. And there is no emotion in trading. Let us start a consistent